on audio.
Man.
I'll have to watch his movie.
I forgot it was going to be loud. I did too. It scared the shit out of me when I pushed the button.
I did too, and so I got a picture of it standing, and then I got a picture of a pile of smoke.
Really?
8 o'clock.
Wow.